Hi, I'm going to show you a search that I'm doing on Yelp because the problem I'm getting is that it doesn't actually show the full Yelp results that I've actually got on claim pages. It's only the results only showing, a small amount of unclaimed pages. So let me just show you what I mean. Chester. Actually, let me just get the actual right. Chester West, Cheshire West and Chester. Cheshire West and Chester. This is the area where I live in the UK. So I'm going to put on a radius of 25 miles, and I'm going to put, say, 1,000. Okay. Now, when I do a search, this is what happens. Okay, right. It's given me results of 45. Okay. Now, in the actual Yelp finding, there's 1,987. Okay. Now, the interesting thing here is that when I look at the results here, for instance, it's probably easier if I look at the spreadsheet. It's probably easier if I show you that. These are the 45. These are the actual results. Okay. Now, if I try and find, for instance, on here on the Yelp, it's got Oakland Dental. You can see here it's unclaimed. Yeah, but when I go to the search results, Oakland Dental is not there. Okay. If I look at the results here, you can see Oakland Dental is not there. I'll show you another one. If we look at Tarporley Dental, again, unclaimed. Search Cheshire and West dentist. Right. It's not in here. I'll just show you the results on the spreadsheet. You can see on the spreadsheet it's not here. Tarporley is not there. In fact, I'll just scroll through for you so you can see yourself. It's not there. Neither is Oakland. Yeah. You can see it's not showing up. It's not showing up there. I can't see it. As you can see, none of those actually showing up anything. So those three names, Tarporley, as you can see, isn't showing up. Neither is Oakland. So Tarporley isn't showing up. Oakland, again, local dental practice. Again, if you look, it's unclaimed, but again, when you look at the actual search results, it's not to be seen. So I'm a little confused as to if you're actually using the Yelp API to actually bring back the results, I would expect it to actually show the exact results from the Yelp section. It's also showing duplicates as well, which I find a bit confusing. Duplication here, duplication here, duplications here. So I'm not sure why it's doing that.